Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did this perfect beautiful knotless braids on my hair. And if you want to know how, all you gotta do is stay tuned and keep watching. So this is my hair ready and washed and straightened to go. And to do this hairstyle, I'm going to use the Outre brand pre-stretched hair to do this hair. The pre-stretched hair, guys, saves time, and I would recommend you getting this if you're doing this style. And to save time, I have gone ahead and done half of my hair already for you guys. And for each of the plaits, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take 4 pieces, a small amount of hair, to braid my hair, to feed it. I'm using the feeding method as I go along. And what you're also gonna need is a castor oil, a black castor oil lock and twist gel by African Pride to help to smooth out the frizz as you do this hairstyle. And guys, if it's your first time here, hello, my name is Kalia. Hit the subscribe button, don't forget to click the notification bell, and let's continue this video. So for the lock and twist gel, I am using a little at my roots to help it be neat, and I'm also gonna put a little bit on the length of the hair to smooth the frizz, so I can get my plaits really neat. Okay. And for each of the plaits, what I'm basically doing is sectioning the plait in 3 equal pieces, and then basically plaiting the hair like a normal plait or a cane roll method plait. And then each one of the pieces of hair, I take it and put it underneath the hair, hold it with my finger and go over and under with the plait, and you continue to add all the pieces. And the pieces that you add to the hair is dependent on how thick you want it to be. You could make the pieces a little more thinner if you wanted the plaits to be a little more smaller. But I wanted a fuller look, so I decided to use this amount. So let's go again, guys. I apply the lock and twist gel to smooth the frizz and get the hair really neat and sleek. And then I am going to section the hair into 3 pieces, 3 separate equal pieces. And I want you guys to notice that I didn't immediately start adding the hair to my hair. I like plait twice before, and then I begin to feed in the braid piece by piece. And one more time for the people in the back. Section in 3, you start plaiting my original hair 2 times, and then you start to feed in the braid piece by piece. So now I'm finished, and now I am just gonna get ready to add some mousse to the hair and then proceed to hot water the ends to get them bone straight. And the good thing about these braids is that because you don't start it directly from the roots of the hair, you can catch up the hair immediately backwards up in the top. You can just catch it up immediately, and it is not tight. It is not it's not gonna pull on your strands, and it is less likely to cause these the bumps that come up because the hair is tight and all of that. So that's the beauty of knotless braids. Your hair is not tight, and the beauty that comes with it, it is a win-win. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified of when I upload a video. Share with a friend. And guys, I will definitely see you in my next video. And also leave your comments down below. I'd love to hear your opinion on this hairstyle. I'd love to hear your suggestions about videos that you'd like to see me do as well. And I just wanted to wish you a wonderful rest of the day.